You think Mummy Papa will get happy about this?
Okay then.
Because few things that Papa can eat.